Let's talk about XRP. XRP is sitting at $2.85 right now. And the overall situation of XRP, as you can see, there is this big green dildo that it has gone up and it has touched $3 perfectly. Let me show it to you. It didn't bother. It's perfect $3. It touched it and then it came back down. Now this, of course, by now you would know that it is all because of Uncle Trump. Uncle Trump was the overall contributor towards this reaction, because he came out and he said that he's supporting crypto reserve, and he labeled 3 coins. He said XRP, Solana and Cardano, and Cardano went up 65% or 80%. XRP, of course, it went up as well, but for us it was easy, because if it was holding $2, that was the last support, because after that I told you it was going to get really nasty. We were hoping for 2.3, then 2.6, but of course all of that is gone. Now what do we expect from here? That is our question. Now this structure is a double bottom structure that we are seeing, so at least our life is not going to be difficult. We can easily evaluate what to expect from here and make a decision. Now we don't need to follow the 2.3, 2.6 structure and the $3. After 2.6 is $3 anyway. If you were here into this rally after it broke above 2.6, you should have pretty much assumed it is going to go towards $3. Now it is sitting in an area of 2.85. So the good news is that 2.8 is the support area to begin with. So I'm going to offer $2.8 as a support area for this neckline of this double bottom. Okay, you have this one bottom, this is your second bottom, this is your neckline. I'm using the neckline at 2.8 instead of the actual one that I should use, which would make more sense, and that is at, just a second, I'll tell you, that is at 2.77 if I'm not mistaken. I'll tell you, yeah, it is at 2.77. so I'm rounding it up to 2.8. Now as long as XRP doesn't lose this area for more than 2 days, if XRP doesn't go below $2.8 for more than 2 days, I would assume it will go and conquer $3, and then we will start our journey towards 3.4, and we can start talking about $4 and everything. Other than that, if it loses 2.8, I would assume that it is back on a journey towards 2.3. I'll ignore the 2.6 because I know that it can correct back up to the level of 2.3. Overall, there are no surprises whatsoever. I've been sharing it with you over and over again that I'm expecting March to be green. Today is 2nd of March. Yesterday was 1st of March. I was not here to share that with you, but I told you that I'm expecting February to close red, so the March could open red and then it becomes green, so we could close the March green. So everything is working accordingly. The only thing is that I didn't expect Trump to contribute towards it and come and pump the market crazily like that. Not the market, few coins, but you do understand XRP pumped because it was on the list. So I didn't expect his contribution. I was expecting that, okay, till 5th of March we will have clarity. Now that one is ruined too, because on 7th he has this crypto summit by White House that is going to fuck with the market too. It might be buy the rumor, sell the news event. So while I'm still bullish on the March, I still expect March to be a green month. That has not changed. I'm not like your moon boys that changed the narrative when we went below to $78,000. They all started talking about 60 and 50. Our target was 85. It went way below with Bitcoin, but our storyline was simple. We wanted Feb to be red, March to be green. We are still sticking to it. Overall, I'm expecting financial crisis in summer. That will happen too, but that's long-term perspective. From short-term perspective, the 7th of March can be buy the rumor, sell the news event, which means that there is a possibility that the market can go up till that time, and on that day the market can crap itself. So that's generally what happens 70% of the times. It has happened over and over again. That's why it's called buy the rumor, sell the news. So I was going to wait for the market till 5th of March, but he has his event on 7th of March. So now the waiting of till 5th of March, it doesn't make sense because it contradicts. Now he has introduced a news. So I have to take it on the face value, and on top of it, I don't need to wait for the till 5th of March. The market has turned green anyway. I wanted a bit of clarity in the market, and I think we have clarity now that the market is going to be green in the month of March. There's going to be a bit of dump in between, maybe towards the mid or closer to the end, but the ending is going to be green. The prices that we opened with and the prices that we will close with, they will be really different. So we will close the March green, and that is something I'm still expecting. And that's pretty much it. I don't expect anything else. I still have the hope for the month of March, and for XRP sitting at 2.85, so 2.8 is the support. If it doesn't stay above this for more than 2 days, I would expect that it is going to retrace towards $2.3. If it holds, 3.4 is the target. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.